Hey guys, welcome back to the Psalms to God YouTube channel. This is Ree, and in this video, I want to talk about why I journal. And of course, some of these reasons I think will apply to other people as well. And so this video kind of serves as a why you should journal, but that sounds so strong when I say it out loud. I don't like telling people what they should do. So this is more of a gentle suggestion if you're looking for reasons why you might be interested in journaling. So, the first reason I think for me primarily is that it's therapeutic. So, I started journaling when I was probably in elementary school, and to a certain extent, it was a distraction. I have a hard time focusing on one thing, and I don't know. I just kind of got carried away. But as I got into middle school and into high school, and you have all of the angsty teen emotions, most of my journals were poetry journals, and I was just writing out my thoughts. And it was a lot easier for me to write them out in pen and paper and kind of like have time to sit with them than to sit there and try to process them inside my head. So it was really nice to be able to get my thoughts organized and to get them flowing out of me. And in some cases, I needed like a creative outlet, which, of course, for like emotional things, I think sometimes I was just writing like fantasy or like symbolic things, things that weren't like explicitly, like I am angry because blah, 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 blah. But it helped me to see how I was feeling. As I've gotten older and I've started doing more journaling based on my spiritual life and more on my relationship with God, it's more of helping me to work through my own issues and work through my own questions and my own like inklings or convictions that the Holy Spirit is giving me. And I find it to be just like a nice, peaceful, therapeutic time that I can spend with the Most High. So for me, that is my number one reason. That may not be other people's number one reason. It may not be your number one reason. Um, the next thing on my list is that it is a flexible, creative outlet. And what I mean by this is you can create your journal any way you want to. You can go as minimal as you want. You could have no color. You could use just a pencil. You could use a single pen, and it could be very, very minimalist and have zero art in it at all. Or you could go all the way out to a full out art sketchbook. That is also a journal. Um, and so there's a wide range, and you can do whatever you want to, anything. And it doesn't have to be the same every day. You can have pages that are full out art masterpieces, pages that are just doodles, pages that have no art whatsoever. You can mix and match depending on your what season you're in, what your day is like. And I like that flexibility. Also, as somebody who works in a STEM field as a software engineer, I don't get to do a lot of physical creative art in my job. Like I'm not doodling at work on the computer. I'm on the computer all day. So this is one of the few opportunities where I actually get to put pen to paper and I get to try to make things pretty and add a bunch of color for no reason whatsoever and add doodles for no reason whatsoever. So that's something that I really enjoy in making my journals. Another one, which is scientifically proven, is that writing things down helps you remember it. So if you write it down, it improves your memory retention. That's whether it is a Bible study or sermon notes or whether it is what you're learning in class. So that is an excellent reason to write something down. Your journal also serves as a life record. No matter what kind of journaling you do, it's a marker, a snapshot of where you are in life. I can look back at journal entries I wrote in middle school, and a lot of times I remember what inspired the entry, what inspired the poem. Now, there are a couple that I'm like, I don't know what I was talking about or why I wrote this, But for a lot of times, it takes me back to that moment. And so it's really nice to be able to go back and look at where I was versus where I am now. And that brings me to my next point, which is it allows you to reflect and grow. You can do a lot of self reflection. You can see where you were and where you come from, unplugging from social media and all of this stuff, and just kind of deep dive into how you're feeling about things and kind of talk yourself through whatever it is that you're going through, which is always a wonderful thing. And that leads me into the next thing is that it's a safe space. You don't have to show your journal to anyone. I have a YouTube channel, and so I show you guys a lot of my journal entries. I have journals that I never show on the channel. I don't post on my social media um, because you do need places where you can just write your private thoughts. I also saw, I think, a video where someone would write their entries and then they would take like a black Sharpie and like mark through them so that no one could ever read them again. If that's what you need to make you feel safe, go for it, right? This is a place where you can express yourself without fear of, judgment or condemnation, et cetera, et cetera. You can also use it as a progress tracker. Like I said, this is a written record of you, and it can be used for growth, which of course, if you want to track milestones and things like that. And in that same vein, you could use it to plan if you have goals or something you're working towards. Those are all good reasons to start a journal or to keep a journal. Um, there is the legacy. As I said, it's a life record. So if you ever have kids or if you ever get famous, whatever the case may be, it's something that people will have that they can learn about you, that they can remember you by. It's calming. It has positive mental health effects. It can be done independently, so you don't necessarily need anyone to do it with, but you could do it as a group or within a community. There's a huge journaling community online, and it can be adjusted to suit you. So that is my list of reasons why I like to journal and some things that may apply to you too. In the next video, I want to talk about different types of journals and maybe finding which type of journal works best for you. See you guys.